All scripts are added successfully. Just click execute and wait for the magic. What's up guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your official profile on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, super easy. Let's get back to the R tool, then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue guys, and let's see. As you can see, user found. So the next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest review for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I cover more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is the best working method for Delta. Okay, AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and we start the loading from the official publisher with the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this passage. You completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait for this redirecting. Okay, nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? So let's test guys. Okay, let me play this. Just wait, escape for tsunami. Okay, let's see. Let's wait a little bit, and guys, look at this. We have this panel, and thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Look at this. All scripts are added successfully. Just click execute and wait for the magic. Okay, so guys, look at this. Just wait. As you can see, guys, I have scripts for this. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next. Bye.